Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today we're going to do a full set of nails and it's going to be really bright, fun, and neon colored. Right now I'm just going back doing my normal prep routine, pushing her cuticles back, and then I'm going to go in with my cuticle bit and work her cuticles. So right now I have this on the lowest speed setting and it is on reverse and I'm working from left to right, and this is a needlepoint cuticle bit and I am removing any of the cuticle that's stuck on her natural nail and really trying to lift it and remove it from the nail bed. Once I work this from left to right, I'm going to flip it in forward and then work from right to left. Now I'm going to use a ball cuticle bit, and then this is going to remove any of that extra cuticle that's on the skin itself. I am not focusing on the nail bed, I'm focusing on the skin. Anything that is lifted and looks dry, this bit will remove that. Now I'm taking nail clippers and I am just cutting her nails short because we are going to add tips, and I personally don't like seeing natural nails under tips. Coming in with my 180 sanding band, I am going to remove the shine from the natural nail bed, and I am using this at a low setting. Now I'm going to be adding my long stiletto tips, and I am applying this with some Kds glue. And before adding the glue, I do measure it from left to right, making sure that the entire free edge is covered and it is not short. Now I'm just cutting it to her desired length, and she does go a little short. After that, I am cutting the sidewalls with a straight edge clipper to get that narrow coffin look she wants. And I do go back and I pinch it a little more just to get that extra C curve on the nail. In with my 180 grit nail file, I'm filing the side walls and the free edge straight and blending that tip into the natural nail. After that, I'm going in with a Secret Nail Dehydrator, dehydrating the nail beds, and then I will be applying a thin layer of clear rubber base and curing it for 60 seconds in an LED UV lamp. After curing, I go in with the new gel pot number 3 and I add a thin layer, and this is my protective layer for when she does decide to come back. I can remove the color and file it back to this layer. After applying it to all the nail beds, I cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm coming in with a custom color that I made. I mixed IBD clear builder gel with some neon pigments, which is this yellow, and I'm applying this all over her pinky, and I will be flash curing this for 30 seconds. After curing, I apply a wet layer of gel on top, and then I'm going to be adding some loose iridescent yellow glitter over top and curing that for 30 seconds. For the ring finger, we're going to do an ombre nail, so I'm applying the yellow gel to the bottom half of the nail and then blending it upwards and then curing it for 30 seconds. For the pointer finger, it's going to be another ombre nail, so I am going to add a thin layer of yellow gel to the bottom half, blending it upwards and then curing it for 30 seconds. After it is cured, I do add another wet layer and then I add the glitter on top and cure that for an additional 30 seconds. For the thumb, it's going to be a full neon yellow nail. So I'm doing a full coverage of gel, applying a thin layer of the yellow gel, coming back with a larger bead, and then floating that on top. Coming back to the ring finger and the index finger, we're going to finish off the ombre nails. So I am taking a thin layer of Mia's Secret Cover Blush and I'm adding a thin layer, blending it downwards. And this is going to help blend out the pink into the yellow, making it more of a transition. And we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. After it is cured, I'm coming back in with the new gel pot number 3, and I am going to add another layer on top, blending it downwards. And this is more of a pink color, so it'll just be a better transition into the yellow. After applying it, I cure it for 30 seconds. For the middle nail, I am going to do a marble nail, so I ended up using the neon yellow, I used glitter, and I used some of the Cover Blush by Mia's Secret, and I just randomly did a couple lines, added some glitter here and there, and then I added the Cover Blush to break up the yellow a bit. After I was satisfied with how it looks, I cured it for 30 seconds. Now I'm coming in with clear builder gel, and then I'm going to just be encapsulating all of the nails. I'm encapsulating the glitter, the ombre, and the marble nails, and then this will just allow me to go back and really file and shape it without having to worry about the color or the design coming off. After I do one nail, I cure it for 30 seconds and move on to the next. After I complete all the nails, I put the hand back inside the light for an additional 60 seconds to fully cure. Now I'm coming in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipey, and I am removing that sticky layer that is left on the surface of the nail after curing. After that, I'm going in with my 100-180 grit nail file, and then this is where I file the sidewalls and the free edge, and I ended up filing over the top to shape. Once I finished hand filing and getting the shape to how I liked, I went in with my ceramic drill bit, and then I am filing, focusing on the cuticle area, making sure that it's sealed. Once I am happy with how that is, I go back in with the nail buffer, and then I buff over the surface smooth. So we wanted to add a butterfly to her ring finger, so I'm adding nail foil glue, and we cured this between 30 to 60 seconds in an LED lamp, and then I ended up cutting out the butterfly that we wanted to use and stuck it on. I wanted to add some bling and some caviar beads, so I'm applying some rhinestone thick glue by MAKARTT, and after that I don't cure it. I actually on top of it apply some extreme shine top coat, and that's when I apply the crystals and the caviar beads. After I applied the crystals, I cured it, and then I went back and I did extreme shine top coat on the other remaining nails, and then I fully cured all of the nails for 60 seconds. And this is how the nails came out. I'm really pleased with how bright and fun it looks. I want to thank everybody for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.